Okay, EV community, we have a special video for you today. I am here with Mr. Arthur K of the Jaguar XJR fame, and we are a close-knit community. I woke up this morning and I thought, I want to show you how we put together the EV technology with solar technology, and I bought this MPPT controller for my solar panels, and I thought, who would know better how to hook this up than Arthur? So I shot him a quick text. He caught the next flight out of town. Here he is. He's going to tell us how we hook this up. And what's really neat is that we are using a BMW 530e hybrid battery module for solar. So it's the two technologies converging, EVs with solar. Hey Arthur, why don't you say hello and help explain how we cook this up? And we're just having some fun here in the sun.
Well, we use those alligator clips right here. We use them alligator clips to connect the solar controller to this badly damaged BMW battery. Yeah, so we can salvage our mistakes here, as he's pointing out. But just because it's maybe not good enough for a vehicle, and working on wheels, it's still perfect for a power wall, right? Or a, I don't know, power sidewalk. Go ahead, Arthur. Yeah, yeah. How, what are our solar panels like? How many volts are we pulling in here? Okay. So we are getting about around 67 volts right now from the solar panels going into the solar controller, and the battery is currently at the 60.6 volt. And the neat thing about this little white box is that it does different battery chemistries, as we found out, right? Yeah, exactly. This is a small but very versatile box. It allows you to adjust for almost any available battery chemistry and in a very wide range of voltage. Not all the controllers of that type really allows you to do that. Some really come short, especially on the lithium ion chemistry, which is not the most popular for this type of scenario, but this one does pretty well. You can adjust basically your S configuration of your strings here. And I forgot exactly the range, but we are doing 16S right now. Yeah, and I'm just gonna jump in here. That's very important. This is a bit of a unique animal in this module. That this is 16S, and a lot of times when we're talking about building battery packs or modules for solar, I think they like, what is it, like 14S or something like that? So this is nice because it's customizable. Yeah. Yeah, but those usually work well with the uh, LFP battery, which are more common. But as I mentioned, lithium ion, which is mostly used in vehicles, is not as popular. So this one allows you to adjust the battery between 2 and 45 strings. So it is really, really high range. It's pretty impressive, yeah, isn't it? Yeah, for such a inexpensive controller. So it's this had been your side yard update and report. We're gonna maybe report back and see if this thing will charge this module or blow up. Or blow up. And the next update might be from a local brewery if it succeeds, or a local brewery if it fails. Signing off, Greg and Arthur from Northern California.